Guys, welcome to another video, and this is Neeraj Kumar Walks. And we can start from here. This is our garden in our grandmother's house in Kerala, Palakkad. And this is our mango tree, as well as everyone will eat like this. So we are going to eat this today, but it's not being. It will be very big for 1 year after 1 year. So, and this is as well as this is hibiscus. Many of the people will use this as medicines for many things, but this we are using for facial like that and all. So see this is
Three.
and this is our guava tree, and we can, as well as now there is no guava of the heat. If we get it after 1 month, there will be heat because the rain is coming and here is the mango tree. We can take the mango tree, but there's also a mango tree, but here the mangoes are not coming properly. And this is neem as well as the medicines for people who are sick. And these are normal plants as well as seasonal use. And today, and this is tamarind. I forgot to say to you. See, we have tamarind, but it's not for my height. See, there's a tamarind there, but we can't take that. See there. It's again coming there. And this is our normal only. We don't know such names of this plant. I'll tell you in another video. But now see this plant. Money plant. And this is money plant, as well as everyone knows this. These are also normal. And this, oh, it's very heat here. I think so it's 11:30 or 11 o'clock, so it will be very heat here. And this is Ashoka Techi. Yeah, it's very beautiful.